In this video, I'm going to show you two ways that you can use color invert on iPhone. With the iPhone color invert, you can easily enable dark mode on your iPhone on all applications on your iPhone. This include pictures, photos, and other media on your iPhone. Now to turn on invert color on your iPhone, the first one to do is go to your iPhone settings. Scroll down and click on accessibility. Just keep scrolling until you get to accessibility. Then choose text and display size. Then select display and text size. Once you selected that, you want to scroll down a bit until you get to smart invert or classic invert. The smart invert and classic invert works in a very different way. With smart invert, it reverses the color of the display except for images, media, and some other apps that use dark color style. So if you want to turn on color invert on your iPhone without affecting the media and images, just need to turn on smart invert. That's it. And if you want the color invert to affect the images and media on all other applications, whether they use the dark color style or your iPhone or not, just click on classic invert. So once you turn on classic invert, this will affect all the features of your phone, including images from third-party application or your phone default settings. Additional way that you can use to enable color invert on your iPhone is to use the accessibility shortcut. So this is what you just need to do. Now come back to your iPhone settings. One of the settings, just scroll down and choose accessibility. Once you selected accessibility, you want to scroll down. Keep scrolling until you get to accessibility shortcut, then tap that. Then you want to enable color invert and then scroll down and turn on smart invert. So enable these two features. Now once that is enabled, you just need to press your power button 3 times consecutively to turn on color invert on your iPhone. Then once you press the button 3 times, you see a pop-up that says, do you want to use classic invert, smart invert, or voice over? And since we are interested in the color invert on iPhone, either classic or smart, you just need to click on either of the two. Then once you selected that, you should see the smart invert turned on your iPhone. And if you repeat the same thing, then you can choose classic invert. So this will also affect the picture photos on your iPhone. And now to turn off the color invert, either classic or smart on your iPhone, just press the power button 3 times consecutively. Then you should see the pop-up again. Then click on the check invert again. Then once that is tapped, then the phone color will revert to what it was before. So this is how to turn on color invert on iPhone. So guys, if this is awful, you want to hit like button, of course, you want to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more quality videos just like this.